Okay, real quick video. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter. This is a 2013 Honda Pilot. This is really simple, really quick video. Just want to show you how you can do this at home by yourself. So start by opening the glove box on your Honda Pilot. Also, please note, this is literally the procedure for so many cars out there. I'm going to produce a video showing in general how to do it on most cars, but this is very similar to most of them. So you'll press the two sides of the glove box in, which will let it swing down. Then you have this cover. There's a tab on either side. Just press to release the tabs. And here's your cabin air filter. Now, I know this one looks pretty dirty. This is by far not the worst I've seen. It's not uncommon to find them literally completely covered with leaves to the point that you wonder how any flow is getting in. So I picked up this Fram filter. And the main thing you need to pay attention to, and it's not hard to determine, is there are arrows on this telling you the direction of airflow. You see they point down? You need to understand that when you put the new filter in. It's easy to tell on your old filter because the dirty side will be the intake side and the clean side on the bottom is where the air exits. So just make sure you match up the arrow on your new filter and make sure it's pointing in the same direction as your old filter. Now, I really like these Fram filters. I've also used the Bosch filters. They're about the same. I do tend to like the ones that have the carbon. Some of them have like a baking soda layer. If you're dealing with, especially musty odors, it might help. But there are other techniques for deodorizing your car. But these filters are pretty inexpensive, easy to change, and they can make a great difference in airflow in your car as well as any odors, especially if you have never changed it. Now, reinstalling it is exactly the opposite. You're just going to slide it right back in here. And the main thing is make sure you hear the click on both tabs. Once you hear that click, you know you were done. And then you'll just need to push in on each side of the glove box and you're done. That's it. Like I said, a real simple, quick video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.